Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla. If this is your first time here. So in today's video, we are gonna do an affordable, yes, a drugstore glowy, bronzy makeup look. It's finally hot outside. I don't know if you guys can tell, I got a little bit of a tan. I was just, honey, I was baking in that sun. Okay, I was just in the backyard like this. Like, without a worry, just, ooh, give me my tan. So we're gonna do a glowy bronze makeup look, and it's gonna be affordable because times are hard, and yeah, we're just gonna have some fun today. So without further ado, let's get started. Look at this nose, honey. Look at that. So I wear sunglasses when I go for my little walks in the morning, and for some reason, like only my nose wants to get tan. It is like burnt. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a lot of products that I've used before and some that I haven't. Starting with the E.L.F. What is this? Putty primer. I've had this for a while. I just never used it, and I was like, this is a perfect time. I'm just gonna use my finger. I feel like this is probably gonna be similar to the Tatcha primer that I used to use all the time. Like more of a summertime primer. All right, next up we have the Dream Radiant foundation from Maybelline. Maybelline is always like a go-to when it comes to foundation. Like whenever I'm like, okay, what drugstore brand do I want? And I don't like know where to turn, Maybelline's like the first corner I hit. Okay, I'm like, ooh, let's check out Maybelline first. Okay, so Dream Radiant, this is shade 125. Why does that not seem right? Is that right? 125 coconut? Okay, I think so. I already use my little beauty blender here. Well, let me make sure it's the right color. It's a little on the tan side for me. But you know, I got a little tan, so So when you get a tan and your foundation color changes and you don't know like what to do, always just try and match your body. So I'm a little bit lighter on the inside of my face. I'm not gonna match that part. I'm gonna match the outside of my face because more than, you know, likely that's what matches my body. This is nice. So this definitely wouldn't be my shade if I wasn't tan. All right, I'm gonna conceal under my eyes and kind of just brighten, highlight with, I have two E.L.F. cosmetic right here, and I'm like, which one? Oh, the bottom one. Sometimes you gotta look on camera to see how it looks. So this is Deep Olive, E.L.F. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've used this one, I think, a couple times. Oh yes, I love this. I love when concealers have this yellow undertone. Let's see here. Put it on. Honestly, I probably could have gone like a little darker with the concealer, but it's okay. Make sure your beauty blender is damp too. So last weekend or last week, I didn't upload. I think I uploaded Sunday. That didn't count though. But like during the week I didn't upload. I was like mentally drained. Like I just couldn't focus on filming. I think I just needed like a break. And I think just the effects of quarantine kind of got to me, you know? Like I was just like, dang, I'm trapped in my house. I want to see my friends. I was going through it last week, you guys. And it was that time of the month, so you already know. I was just sitting there like. All right, I'm gonna set my under eyes with the Juvias Place Kalahari setting powder. Usually I'll do a pressed powder, but I didn't have any like drugstore pressed powders. I only have my Makeup Forever. And I was like, okay, let's switch it up. We try some new things. So I'm just gonna dip my brush into the powder like so. Tap off the excess on the lid. And then I'm just gonna gently tap under my eyes. And I'm gonna do this before I bake just to kind of set the concealer. I actually saw somebody on Instagram setting with a powder brush like this. So I was like, ooh, let me try that. That's usually how it goes. I'll see someone doing something and I'm like, ooh, let me try that. I wonder if I even need to bake. Okay, we're gonna bake a little bit. Now I'm just gonna grab my sponge, dip it in the same powder, and I'm just gonna bake under the eye. Also gonna bake down the center of the nose. A little trick that I like to do is wipe off the sides just to make sure that I'm baking in kind of like a straight line here. This will also give like a contoured effect. Boom, 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 boom. Once everything opens up, you guys, I really don't even think I'm gonna be outside. Like I think I'll hang out with like my friends. I'm over here just trying to blot this. But I don't even think I'll be going to restaurants. Like, I think I'm gonna be scared. Like, I'm just scared even going to the grocery store, you know? All right, I have 2 pencils here. Which one is it? Which one we gonna use? I'm gonna use the NYX Brow Pencil in Brunette. Yes, Brunette. And we're gonna fill these bad boys in. I'm gonna give myself like a natural looking brow. I have pretty full brows, so it's like I don't really need to be doing that much anyway. Fill this in. And I'm kind of just drawing lines up in the same direction my hair goes. Look at that. So it just enhances that natural look. I'm gonna use that same E.L.F. concealer and clean up under my brow, right up in here. I'm also gonna put the concealer all over the lid. So this will be my eyeshadow base. All right, I'm super excited to use this palette, Nudes of New York by Maybelline. I just got this the other day and look at it. I swatched it, that's why it's kind of a mess, but it's super cute. So let's get this show on the road, shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna start with Explorer, this shade in the crease, and then I'm gonna add this on top of it. Come on, pigment. So I'm just applying this until it looks even and nicely blended. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Globetrotter, this kind of reddish brown, and I'm using the Sigma E38 brush, so I went a little bit smaller. And I tend to do that with the darker shades. I'll use a smaller brush so I can blend it a little bit easier. Oh yeah, and I'm just kind of tapping and pressing the color in the crease. All right, now I'm gonna grab this bronze shade up in here and put this all over the lid. And I like to use the edge of the brush to kind of carve out the crease a little bit. So the past couple weeks, you guys, I've been snacking so much. I've been making French toast, pancakes every weekend. Like, okay. I woke up this morning and I looked at myself and I said, okay, this has to stop. Like, we can't do this anymore. So this week I'm really gonna try and focus on not snacking and sticking to like my routine pre-quarantine, because if this keeps going, I'm gonna gain the quarantine 15, okay? Ain't nobody trying to do that. Oh, this is the same color I put in the crease. This one right here. It's real nice. Ooh, I'm liking this. Okay, so there's this new product from E.L.F. that I am obsessed with. It's just a liquid eyeshadow. It's called Flirty Birdie, but it is so pretty on the lid. Let me show you guys. It's similar to, like, you know, Stila. They have those liquid shadows, similar to that. So I'm just gonna put this right here. And yes, you can put it over your shadow. You can use it with a brush. The applicator it comes with. There's a lot of different ways to put it on, but look at that. Ooh, look at that. So I'm just gonna do halfway, but isn't that so pretty? Ooh, look at that's a game changer right there. That just changed the whole look. Oh, see? Now you guys, you know it's my favorite. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna line my eyes with the NYX Epic eyeliner, liquid liner. I don't usually use liquid liner. Well, I don't use liquid liner that often. So let's see what happens here. This one's nice and dark. I don't know why, like a lot of brands, the eyeliner is like a gray, you know? It's like not a true black. Like I need a dark black, the darkest black possible. We're gonna wing this bad boy. When it comes to winging, you really just have to draw that line out and kind of just flick it up. All right, I'm gonna wipe off the bake. And then whatever's left over on the brush, I'm just gonna kind of blot my face, especially in like the oily areas. All right, let's put some lashes on, okay? It ain't a look if there's no lashes. These are Misty Rose from ienvy by Kiss, and I absolutely love these lashes. These are like my new favorite brand of lashes. I think you get them at Ulta, Walmart even. Look at that, and they come with a little case. Ooh. All right, a little trick I like to do with my lashes, see how curly they are? A lot of times when they're that curly, they cover the eye and it's like too intense on my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is uncurl the lash to kind of straighten them out a little bit. If you're like, how do I hold it? It's almost like you're holding on your eye, and then just bring it right to the hair of the false lashes and uncurl them. Little trick comes in handy, okay? So they're a lot more straight, and you can just leave it like that, or you can curl them after so that they have a little bit of a bend to it. That's usually what I do, is I'll uncurl them and then glue them on and then curl them again. In that order. All right, while my lashes dry, I'm gonna wait, make sure they're completely dry before I put mascara on them. I'm gonna highlight with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I've been using this one for years. I haven't used it in a while, but when it came out, I was like, ooh. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. I always put a little bit on the tip right there. Ooh, all right, this is Fit Me Maybelline Blush in, it says 55 Berry Baie. Put a little bit of this on. It's so hard to find blush in the drugstore. Do you guys notice that? Like, I feel like whenever I look for blush, it's either too light or it's too light. This is like the only blush that I found that actually shows up. All right, let's set this because I'm like, I need to tone down this brightness a little bit. Where's that? Okay, I'm gonna set my makeup with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Shake this bad boy up. Ooh. Whew. So while that's drying, I'm gonna curl the lashes. Actually, make sure, hold up. Just press them, make sure they're stuck on there, because once you curl them, they will fly off. Well, not fly off, but you know, stick to the wand. Boom. See, just lifts them a little bit. A little lash lift. All right. This is coming together. All right, this is L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Yes, I love that extra dark black, okay? And I'm just putting this at the base of my lash. And of course, my bottom lashes. Ooh, doesn't mascara just bring everything together? Like, look at that. This is super cute. You guys already know what I was gonna say. Half of you guys probably knew exactly what I was saying. Super cute. Okay, so we're gonna do a nudie coral, maybe. I just got these new E.L.F. lipsticks in, and kind of want to use them. This pink is really cute. Ooh, maybe we'll do this. Yeah, let's do that one. All right, I'm gonna line with NYX Brown Cafe lip liner. Oh, that's like my lip color. Actually, I think I need to go a little darker. All right, so this is Y2K, I think. That's what it says on here. Is that right? Yeah, Y2K, SPL 826. It's a really dark brown. I'm gonna have a light hand when I do this. Yeah, see? So I'm kind of like blending it and rubbing it because it's kind of dark. So I don't want that super defined line. Okay, so this is E.L.F. Cosmetic Lipstick in Taffy. Ooh, yes. This is like a creamy, I don't want to say it's a matte. I feel like it's like more of a creamy texture, like a satin. Add a tiny bit more lip liner. Okay. Let's grab a gloss. I have the new E.L.F. glosses also. This is called Wild Rose. Should we do that, or should we do something more sparkly like this? No, because I don't want to get pink gloss on the applicator, so we're going to do a pink lip gloss. This is called, yeah, I just said it, Wild Rose. Oh yes, Barbie vibes. Call me Malibu Barbie. All right, guys, here is the finished look. Okay, she is bronzy, okay, Barbie-like, if you will. This is very like beach Barbie. I love it. Like, I'm here for the glow. I'm here for the pink lips. I'm here for a little bit of sparkle. I'm here for the brown eyeshadow. You guys know I just love a bronze smoky eye, okay? You can also darken this with liner on the inside, but I love how shadow looks underneath, especially if it's a brown with no liner. I think it makes the eyes pop. I'm just here for it. I love it. So there you go. An affordable, slay down, beat down, poppin' look. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed so that you hear about giveaways that will be happening very soon. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts on this look. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I'm always open to suggestion. And last but not least, strut and slay.